I'm Dr. Jay Patel. I'd like to talk to you today about the Solea laser. The Solea laser is fantastic. It's a great new piece of equipment we have here at Outdoor Dental, and we can use it to do fillings without giving you anesthetic. Does it cost the same as a normal filling? And that's true. We don't charge more when we use a laser versus a traditional filling. So your fee will be exactly the same, and if you have insurance, we will bill your insurance the same way, and your fee would be the same. Another question we get often is it safe? And it is completely safe. It's been through rigorous testing and approved for use by Health Canada and the FDA. The laser is controlled by a foot pedal, just like a normal drill does. The nice thing about the laser, though, is that as soon as the foot pedal is released, it stops at the speed of light. Unlike a traditional drill that has to slowly wind down after the foot pedal is released. Not only that, is that because it's a laser, it's got a very precise positioning. I can tell exactly where it is, and it doesn't go anywhere else. The laser is completely safe for kids and adults. Any health conditions, there's absolutely no contraindications to using a laser. The next question was how it works exactly. Without getting too complicated, it basically uses light energy to cut your tooth and kill any bacteria that are in its path. It uses a specific wavelength of light that has been over years of study been shown that it can effectively cut teeth without cutting anything else. I can adjust the power settings for cutting through enamel versus cutting dentin, or using it to cut your soft tissues like your recontouring gums or doing frenectomies and things like that. So it's extremely safe, very high-tech piece of equipment. It uses a computer to control the laser and direct it exactly where we want it to go.